Let us start by having a look at what we need. First, we're going to need some fabric. I have selected this old pink, not old in years, but the color old pink knit. So knit means that it stretches like that, which is good for a t-shirt. I've also dug up this from my stash, which is like a dark, it's basically the same fabric but in a different color. I'm going to be using this for the neck binding, which is how we're going to finish the neck. You could do it in the same color and from the same fabric, but the neck binding is going to be the most difficult part of this project, which once again in general is easy. And having a different fabric for the binding will make it easier to see what's going on. We're going to need some thread. I've got these available in my stash. This one is probably the least suitable because when you don't have the exact matching color, it's always better to go for a lighter color because the thread will sort of blend in with the fabric, whereas if you pick a darker color, it will stand out more. And you should not do that for this application. You can do that sometimes for top stitching, but so I'm probably going to be using either this one or this one today. Then the pattern, so I went to freesewing.org and printed out the Teagan pattern for my measurements. This is the front, this is the back part, and this here is the sleeve. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to be cutting out those three parts twice each, these on the fold and this one twice out of our fabric.